Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying drivers and firmware. This prevents wasted steps later. Connect the Scarlett Solo directly to a powered USB port. Make sure the device lights up. Once done, set input gain to minimum and plug a known good mic or instrument with a reliable 1/4 cable so you can isolate the interface. Open your OS sound settings and select Scarlett as input/output. This confirms the computer recognizes the device, which is the essential first action before deeper fixes. Next, remove any conflicting driver versions and reboot. This clears driver lockups and resource conflicts. Reinstall the latest Focusrite drivers and firmware. Run Focusrite Control to verify device routing and sample rate. Then set your DAW or system audio to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and 24-bit to avoid mismatch issues. Make sure a CO or the proper driver is selected in your app. This resolves latency and dropout problems. If monitoring is wrong, check direct monitor and routing in the control software, then test again. Finish by isolating hardware. Swap USB cables, use another USB port or PC, and test with a different mic or speaker. This distinguishes a faulty Scarlett from a system issue. Adjust gain and direct monitor balance while watching input LEDs. Consistent clipping or no LED indicates hardware or phantom power faults. If problems persist, note precise LED patterns and any error text, then contact support with that info. One key troubleshooting tip: always test the interface on a second computer. If it works there, the issue is your system, not the Scarlett.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.